Hey guys, thank you for joining me in today's beauty hack video. Today I want to show you a quick cleaning trick that will remove that stubborn foundation concealer stains off your beauty sponge within minutes. Microwave won't be needed. Instead, I will be using only one product that I think most of you already own. So I'm starting as usual with soaking up my beauty sponges in warm soapy water. I like using Bath& Body Works hand soaps because they really smell amazing and leave my sponges with a nice scent afterwards. Next, I'm grabbing my Wet n Wild cleansing oil. Yes, any cleansing oil should work just fine. I'm using this one particularly because it's not my favorite one to use on my face, but it works awesome for my brushes as well as sponges. In this tutorial, I'm using three different beauty sponge brands. This small purple one is from Walgreens, and I use it mostly for concealer. The green latex-free one is from Jessie's Girl, and the pink one is the original beauty blender. Anywho, I apply a little bit of product and get to cleaning. As you can see, it removes all the stains very quickly. Ta-da, nice and clean. Same with the next one. So I noticed that Beauty Blender needed a little bit more time, but eventually cleansing oil moved the stains upwards and out, and now it's clean and stain free. I love it. Also, the Beauty Blender I used a few times, so maybe that was the reason, and also the texture is a little bit different comparing to the other sponges that I used. The bottom line is that it removed all the stains, and now the Beauty Blender is nice and clean. And that's it, guys. After I'm done, I like to wash them again with some soap, rinse, and let it dry. Cleansing oil also works great with any synthetic brushes that are stained with concealer, foundation, or any cream liquid products. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for another beauty hack video coming up soon. See you next time. Bye.